Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. Oh, too far. This is Mrs. Carr, and this is Tuesday, April 21st. We're here with your rundown of what's happening in science today. So, continuing with the fossils, today we're going to dig through the petrified forest. So, we're going to go ahead and watch this video of fossils on the petrified forest. And by the way, these are pretty cool. If you haven't seen this before, you're going to really like this, I think. Then after that, you're going to read this article. Looks like it's a Brain Pop article. So you can read it right here from your screen. You don't have to download it if you don't want to, but you can if you want, or print it out. It's up to you. And then when you're done with that, you're going to answer these discussion questions in the discussion post back here in Schoology. So you're going to, watch the video, read the, article, and then open up your click back on your Schoology tab, which should already be open, and answer in the discussion post. Guys, please make sure you're being thorough. Some of these one-word answers are just not working. We really need to know that you understand what is happening. So please be thorough with your explanations. If it's too much to type, then you can record your responses with a video recorder. So please take advantage of that so that we're getting thorough information. Also, after you finish discussing, or after you finish your entering your discussion post, please make sure you come back later in the day or the very next morning to check your discussion post to see what your teacher's response was. Because a lot of times, guys, quite a few times I've asked you to clarify answers that you've put, especially in science. And so I definitely need you to go back and make sure that you're clarifying those answers. All right, guys, once you're done with that discussion post, you're going to come over here and click on this extend activity. And when you're done, so you're looking at this, naming the two characteristics, and then looking closely at that, answering those questions, looking at that, and answering some more questions. Oh my God, that was a slug. So disgusting. But anyways, have fun with that. Once you're done with that, this is not a Google document, so you can't just share it. So you're going to need to take a picture of it, and then you can email it to your teacher. You can send a remind to your teacher, or you can post the file in today's discussion posts. So that's how you're sharing your work with your teacher. And so let's go back here to Schoology just as a reminder of how you would share that. Let's go real quick, guys. Sorry about this, taking this time, but I want to make sure everybody knows how to share their work in the discussion post. So let's go to, well, we'll just go to Mondays. Oh, look, some people were late and answered some questions. That's okay, though. But when you click in here, you're going to have post a comment, write a comment. So you'll click in here, click this post button right here, and then find it wherever you uploaded it onto your computer there. Okay? And then I found that I've had to either put like a period, or you could put a letter or whatever, or here's my work. But you do need to type something in this box. Otherwise, this little post button is going to stay gray. Okay, so if you don't put something in here, blah, okay, then it's not going to turn colors for you to do it. So let's say I post it, and then that way. And then same thing, if you do a recording, you can audio record your voice, and you'll see once it's done there, you'll see, but again, you'll need to type something here and before this turns colors so that you can post it. But that's how you're going to post your work, how you post your work of your picture on that one. If you don't, email it as an attachment or send it as a remind. So that's up to you. All right, guys, that's it for today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to use Microsoft Teams to ask questions. Okay, for real. Bye-bye.